Calling in from Hyderabad. Dheeraj, hi, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Good morning, ma'am. This is Dheeraj from Hyderabad. My query is regarding TCS.
Okay.
I purchased 75 shares of TCS today at 3374.
Okay.
I'm expecting good results from the counter. Can I hold it for the next 3 to 6 months?
Okay.
That's my query, ma'am. Or else should I shift to something like persistent systems,
Okay.
which I have corrected from 6,000 to 5650.
Okay, got your question, Dheeraj. I'll take this up with Shaina quickly. Shaina, as per the preview that has been compiled by the research team of NDTV Profit, the revenue is expected to hardly rise around 0.2%. Overall net profit is also expected to be flat. That's the preview that we have on TCS. Do you also think that TCS growth will be muted, and is this the right counter to make an entry into right now before the earnings?
No, I wouldn't suggest making an entry into the stock as of now. But yes, I would agree with you. The numbers are expected to be muted. But at the same time, the deal wins are likely to remain quite steady and good. So I would say that you continue to hold TCS. Persistent, of course, is a good story. But I believe in terms of valuation, it is much more expensive than TCS. So if one wants to be between these two and add, I would prefer adding TCS at slightly lower levels, wait for the numbers, and let us see how it pans out.
All right, so wait and watch is the view on TCS, but I'm just curious what Kush is making of the chartical trends both on TCS and also on Wipro, because we've got a question from Prasanna. He's bought 3,000 shares of Wipro at a price of 275 in March with a short-term view. The stock is currently trading at 264 thereabouts, just below his buy price. He's asking whether he can see an upside potential in the near term based on the chart. So another 3 months or thereabouts. What would you do with both TCS and Wipro?
Hi, Alex. Hi, Shaina. TCS has seen a round of profit booking, and this is the one that hasn't really participated in the IT rally. Even if the IT sector has been doing flip-flops, one day up, other day down. TCS has not been that counter that's participated in the upside. So I would be very circumspect on any kind of up moves that come about, because they might just be taken as an opportunity to exit. So yes, if I did have a position, I would perhaps put a tight trailing stop loss near the 3,300 mark, or even exit TCS. As far as Wipro goes, slightly different trajectory here. The medium-term trend, surprisingly for this one, has been positive. Now, for the past 5 sessions, you're seeing some negative RSI divergence and also some profit booking that's come about. But yesterday, the profit booking was on back of fairly heavy volumes, and today the stock has given up the 20-day moving average as well. So my suggestion would be book profit, exit out of Wipro. If you do see it drop close to the 255 mark, that could perhaps give you a re-entry into Wipro. But from a near-term perspective, it looks like there could be some more profit booking that could come about in Wipro as well.
Okay, all right.